Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Nick Guns, trying to do a little unpacking here of NBA hoops, Panini 21-22 NBA trading cards, 30 cards per pack. Looking for exclusive teal explosion and orange explosion parallels. Let's go. Let's see what this is about. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Okay, pretty clean cards. John Wall. Let's see. Houston. Nice. Brandon Ingram. The Pelicans, New Orleans Pelicans. This guy's nice. This guy's a beast. Let me see what we got. Tristan Thompson on the Celtics. Jason Tatum, Boston Celtics. He's a beast too. They're in the playoffs right now, playing the Miami Heat. I wish this was like a hollow or something, but this guy's nice. I haven't bought basketball cards in a long time. Ricky Rubio, Minnesota. Damian Lillard, Ricky Rubio. Got Damian Lillard here. The Portland Trail Blazers. This guy's a beast too. Jonas Valanciunas, he's nice. Let's see. Did we got any hollows? Jay Crowder. Tyler Hero from the Miami Heat. That's my guy. I'm happy I got this one. Tyler Hero. Let's see guys. Let's see. Kevin Herdo, he's a beast too. Steve Adams. I see a hollow in there. Justin Holiday. Let's go. Zach LaVine. Man, there's a lot of good players in here. Oh, Julius Randle from the Knicks. I'm from New York, so I'm hype. Julius Randle, it's my guy. Even though his season wasn't, specifically the best. Kawhi Leonard. Oh, we got another Jason Tatum, but that looks like an exclusive card here. This one here is a sky view of Jason Tatum. I know I need some better lighting in here, guys. I gotta hook you guys up, my bad. I gotta figure this out. Ooh, another exclusive card. This is Lights, Camera, Action with Giannis. Check that out. Oh, we got a hollow here, or two hollows. Cade Cunningham from Detroit. Okay. Got a Cade Cunningham. Oh, this looks like the best card. Paul Millsap. Brooklyn. This is cool, man. Look at this one. This one's fire. I'm not too sure who that is, but alright. That's what's up. Alright, pretty decent pack of cards. I mean, first time getting these, but I recognize a lot of the players. I wish the hollow would have been somebody I recognize, but it's all good. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I gotta make some better quality videos here. The lighting is a little off, but peace and love.